What's one thing that you think is being normalized by the society?
Say it's not respecting people's time, guys. Like
it's too normalized.
It's too normalized, guys. You don't respect people's time, guys. Like you don't put in an effort. You don't go out of your way to not inconvenience other people. Like I don't know why are sa trompetina ko tsa batho, guys. Actually, guys, ke kwatile ka sena sebaka, guys, because tell me, and right now I'm venting, guys. Today during a presentation, people pitched like over an hour late, guys. Now you're not respecting people's time. We have to study for other things. We have to do other things. So guys, no, people's time.
Make sure you respect people's time. Look how jolo ngwana. Oh, marobolela ka sekolo ne.
Mojolo o irang.